In this video, I'll explore the infrared line detector sensors on Maqueen Plus. Maqueen Plus is a robot which uses the microbit computer. The microbit is over here, and what I'm interested in is the sensors. So you can see all the detectors or the status lights. So when it is black, as my desktop is, they're all on, and when I put it on white, they're all off. And this exercise is to explore if colours, visible colours, make any difference, and can I have a signature and use the grayscale detection of these infrared sensors. So let's start off with this one, and we'll just see how it works. So what we have is a serial line that goes off to a computer, and I've coded the software using this very simple code. It just goes on forever and picks up both the state variable and also the value from the IR line detector sensors, and it outputs all that onto a serial port. And you can see at the moment that while we're on the line, we get a value. Well, we're on the line now, and the value is 793 compared to a value of 385 in the white area. So the white has a high value and the black has a low value. And what's interesting, if I move across to the red area, so we've got the sensors now on the red area, we still get a high value. So the IR line sensor still thinks it's a white area. Let's try different line colours. So we'll remove that one, and with all these we get a very similar result. So you can see that it's still looks like white. Doesn't matter what colour, except for the black tape. Okay, what about grayscale? So if we use a grayscale like this and move the robot along, let's see if that makes a difference. So we've got it on a, looks to me like about a 70 and 80% grayscale. And over here, it makes no difference. The IR line detector still thinks it's a white background, no matter what colour sensor. So it doesn't matter where we put this on the visible grayscale chart, the IR sensor still thinks it's white. So how about different lines on robot mats? So this is the one from Lego, and if we put it on white, as before, we get a very high value. And if we put it on the line, you can see the line is, all the lines detectors are being sensed at the moment. And we'll do some auto scrolling over here. And we'll have a look at the value detected. So we get low value because it detects the line. What about other robot mats? Well, the Lego one gives us the best results, but the Mark actually gives us the worst results. So it's over the line at the moment, and it's detecting quite a high value, but not as high as on the as on white. So you can still distinguish it, and you can even use these signatures to distinguish different robot mats.